We are streaming from today. I want us to go straight to the point and look at something that is very important and very good, that is going to help all of us in our trading journey. If you are here and you are interested in future trading on Binance, this is the right place to be. And please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so that you don't miss out anything else that we are going to be posting over here. Without much being said, let's go in straight into the video. Now, this is what I want to teach you today. This is what has been working for me. This is the holy grail that I have seen so far today, and I want you all to know it. You know, in my last video, we spoke about how to calculate your stop loss and your target before entry into before entering into a trade on Binance, because that has been the headache of most beginners and they don't know how to go about it. And I have searched throughout the whole internet, but I haven't seen anything of that. But I have it in the video, and that video is going to be in the description of this video below. So please make sure you go there and check it out, because it's going to help you on your journey. If you don't know your stop loss and profit, what then are you doing? How are you trading? So that is the best thing to do. Now, without much being said, let's go straight into the video. Today we are going to look at how to get the highly probable coins to trade, so that you can always be in the market and you can always feel good when you are in the market. And that is what we are going to do today. So you are going to need to open your Binance account. You are going to need to open your Binance account, and you go to your future trading, and this is where the chart is. You start looking out for all the coin that you can trade, then you start looking out for that. All right, all those things. But there is a highly probability, and as a beginner, you don't really know which coin to trade, and you don't really know how to pick a coin to trade. And that is what we are going to trade today. How to pick a coin and trade is our topic today. So let's dive into it. How do we go about that? In case you come to you come to your Binance future and you start looking for coin, the traditional thing to do is to just click on this arrow button over there, and then you select coins out of this. And just start trading them. You just look for anyone that falls within your system and then start trading. But this thing doesn't really help. It doesn't really help in any way. So I have a very nice way for you. In case you don't know, this is it. Please don't forget to smash the like button and also share this video so that I get to friends and loved ones. Let's go straight there into that. So what do? You are going to go to home. If you don't know where home is, it is right here at the bottom. You're going to click on home, and when you click on home, what are we looking for? We are going to be very much particularly interested in the gainers and also in the losers, and in the new list, in the new listings. These are the things we are going to be looking at, and this is where we are going to get all our coins that are going to fetch us a lot of money. These coins are going to fetch us a lot of money, and you are going to be happy with this. You are going to be happy with this. I promise you. So what do? We go to the gainers. So I'm clicking on a gainer. You just click on gainer, and then you see them over there. Most of the coins are there. You see, so you take into consideration their percentages. Anything above 20 is worth looking at. I didn't say it's worth trading yet. It is worth looking at, especially when it is above 50. When it is above 50, you should know that, come on, this coin is a hot cake, and anytime soon, buyers are going to be very tired of this coin, and they are going to be taking profit, and that is going to make the coin come down to the earth, something like that. So that is what is going to happen. And now, if you go to losers, you get the same thing. These coins that are here as losers were once in the gainer position. You get it? They were once in a gainer position. I traded this coin, and it has done very, very well. It is really, really good. It has done a lot because it was over there initially at the gainers, but now it is losing. What is it called? It's losing momentum, or the bears have taken over, and it's also getting to 20%. And it's a thing to also look at. You get it? Yeah, it's a thing to look at. You don't just look at these things and then start trading. Make sure you have your plans and then start trading it. So with this being said, let's look at the coins in a gainer aspect again. Then we go straight into the account and see what we can do. So now we are going to take the multi. I'm gonna have to write that down. You are going to take the multi, this coin. All right, welcome back here. As you can see, this is a very beautiful trade that I took, which has made so much money. I think so far we made the reward ratio is 5.7. Oh, this is a very good trade. This is a very good trade that I took, and I am so much happy about that because these things work very well. They work very, very well. I won't lie to you. And there are other coins that I took as well. A lot of coins that were in the gainer and now dropping, which I took advantage of. Look at this one, another beautiful one. And then look at this as well. Look at this one. Look at this one. This is another beautiful one which has dropped very, very beautifully. And then look at this as well. It also dropped very nicely, and now is about to get back again into the sky. So if you know these things and you know how to use them, you are never going to miss out on any trade at all. You are never going to miss out on any trade. So now let's look at the coins that we were talking about in the video. Let's look at them. So I said the first one is multi. So I'm going to take multi USDT, and I am going to be looking at that. Where are you? Okay. All right. So that is beautiful. This is so much beautiful. So we are going to put multi there. And then also we have hyphy. Hyphy is also another coin that we are also going to be looking at. Hyphy. So this is hyphy. That is hyphy. Then we move on to the last one, which is storage. Storage. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that word well, but anyway, that is it. Good. So these are currently the gainers in the Binance future right now that we are speaking. These are currently the gainers. So let's look at what will happen to these coins. So let's go to multi. In Binance, multi is already about around 41%. The bulls are in the market. So this is what I see. This is a very beautiful one over here. This is a very beautiful one, forming something like a double top on the 4H a time. Then when you go to what is it called? The higher time frame, this is what you see. It was actually coming down, then it bounced back. So this is what is going on. And there are a lot of targets that you need to be putting into consideration. So this thing can either go up here to this liquidity zone over here. So I'm going to put all these price magnets. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the price magnet. A lot of price magnets that are going on here. There are a lot of things that are pulling this market up. You get it? A lot of things that wants to pull this market up. There are a lot of imbalances over here. You can see there is this huge imbalance over here that is going to pull this market up. So this market may continue to go up in a while. It may continue to go up in a while. So whatever be the case, you just make sure you put your system in order. You put your system in order. This is not a financial advice, and this is not an advice for you to start trading what I'm saying right now, but I am just telling you how to pick your coins. And there is also another, what is it called? Liquidity over here. Liquidity is most at times the equal highs and then equal lows. So there is these things that are pulling the market, that are pulling the price up. You get it? All these ones are pulling the price up. So you go to the left side and check if there is anything at the bottom or at the base that is pulling the market to the base. Is there anything there at the base that is pulling the market to the base? No. So for this market, we don't have any price magnet that is pulling, what is it called, the price to the bottom. We don't have any price magnet over here that is pulling the price to the bottom, but we have a lot of magnets over here. So if this thing is supposed to go up, it's supposed to come here, break this, and then come down a little bit, and then pour to the sky. You get it? That is it. So you should have that in mind. So these are some of the coins that you should be trading. These are some of the coins that you should be looking. This is how to literally select a coin and start trading them. This is just it. So if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and also make sure you hit the like button. Then let's go to the next one. The next coin is going to be HIFI. So the next coin is HIFI. So as we can see from HIFI, on the daily chart is making a very sweet uptrend. A very sweet uptrend from right from here is making a very sweet uptrend. So we are going to look at that on a daily. This is what is going on. This is what is going on. But then let's look at more price actions or more things that are going to that is actually drawing uh, this pair to the sky. You get it? So as you can see, there is a lot of liquidity at the top. There is this height. There is this height over here that could literally be drawing the price, and there is this one also that could literally be drawing the price. So you have to have your system. If you don't have a system, I will be publishing my system, the one I use in my next video. So just make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I thought I post that video, you do not miss it. So this is it. This is just a word of advice. This is not a financial advice at all. It's just a word of advice. And future trading is a bit, what is it called? It's a bit risky, so you have to know what you are doing. So all these are being taken out. All these are being taken out. So a lot of things can happen. Either we return back to where we came from, or just continue to move up. And as you can see, there is also a base over here, which has given us a very nice return. What is it called? Return match. So the bulls are in the market right now. So you take this coin and you know how to trade it. Let's go to the next one. So this is our next coin. This is our next coin. So how do we trade this coin? Look at this. Look at this beautiful coin over here, which rallies so much to the top. Rally from here to the top and then came back right into the base. Smashed it and now moving a little bit up. This is so wonderful and this is so great. So what are the magnets? there is one big giant what is it called, imbalance here that needs to be filled. So that imbalance is going sorry, that imbalance is going to be pulling the market. So this market, I believe strongly, is going to break out this liquidity or this equal this resistance line. I should say that because that is what most of the beginners know. You know that this resistance line is going to be broken and retested. Then we come into this huge imbalance. If you don't know anything about imbalance and all those things, don't worry. I'm going to be teaching that in a while. So that is it. So if you look at this, you know where the coin is going. You look at your system and then you begin to trade them. You begin to trade them. That is it. If you like what you've seen, just subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share this video and let it get to each and everyone out there. And what can I say? Thank you very much. It's a bye.